This is a Saturday in our household. It's so hot and muggy and we're under a flood advisory, so we can't go to the river. We're thinking about riding to the lake after it's up. Once again, some fried taters and bacon. Everybody loves it here. Our messy, messy house. Shaking.
No, Daddy, don't vlog me. I'm listening. I want to sleep.
Hush. Just a messy day out. Hot, muggy. You see, all of our living room furniture is newer stuff. Everything in the dining room's antique.
Why you wake me up, Dad?
We got so much stuff crammed in this little place. These are flags from the post office, retired American flag and a POW flag.
You woke me up. Why you woke me up?
Jocelyn made these. Oh my goodness, there's stuff all in them. She did all the sanding and staining of them. She sanded them, stained them. Me and her together. Oh. From our honeymoon stuff, wine glasses, and the Joe's Crab Shack.
I like the hand clam.
I ain't big into like action figures and stuff, but we got these, seen them on sale, and got them and put them up for Jocelyn when she grows up. Of course, we got all of our Mark and Digger and everything from them up there, and from Old Smoky. We've met them a couple times, and Josh and Tickle. Good at people as you'll ever meet. I got a brat whining. She's not in a good mood. She don't want to go swimming, but I'm told her we have to wait for the flood advisory to be up. It's supposed to rain, come a big flood and storm here, but it's never did. Oh.
Hey, Dad, I just woke up.
You've been awake all day. You cry, baby.
Hey,
You
Dad,
napping.
I just woke up. Your Dad wake me up. I'm sleepy. And Dad wake me up in the middle of the morning.
It's the middle of the day, dork.
And I want sleeping.
It is.
A lot of night.
4:42.
I like sleeping in. 40, that's dead. I like sleeping in. You don't like sleeping in, guys.
We love cooking on the grill
Yay!
and the smoker. Of course, we got all kinds of stuff for that. It is
I'm
jam-packed.
going to show them something.
Well, the focus ain't working quite well.
I'm going to show them.
Apartment life. You ain't got enough room for everything, so you start coming up with ways to do it.
And after this video, subscribe
Just
to
show 'em all your-
smash the subscribe button so you can get 1,000 likes. And we get a subscribe button.
All the fun stuff.
Hey, Dad, look at this. Dad, look at this.
What?
This is
Your big
my
unicorns?
pony. This is my pony. This is my lamb.
Yep.
It's so big.
Why is this thing acting so crazy? I'm gonna have to use the actual camera.
It's super big. You see my bedroom. I didn't clean it yet.
You wanna show it to them?
Yeah, I got it.
Your messy, messy bedroom?
This is my bedroom.
This is what a Saturday of not being able to go outside looks like. Holy cow, I'm like shaky for some reason. Let me check my blood pressure.
And this is my name one. And this is my sky. This is my cake. This is my puppet. And I leave this in my bedroom. And I hide it. And this is my all.
Oh, there's the one Randall got you.
And I got that pony from Randall. And I even got this. Look at this, guys. This, look. It's windy because you don't know what it does. I'll show you what it do. It is that.
His ears come up.
My handstand.
Oh, not in the house, not in the house, not in the house.
No, I'll show you outside.
They're good.
Let go.
Hunting and fishing closet. Here, let's see the garden. How the garden's doing.
Guys, I'm trying my.
No, you stay up here. Stay up here.
I showed them my handstand.
Garden's doing awesome. We got a couple of cucumbers coming up, ready to pick. I'm gonna probably give them another day. Golly, that thing is clean.
This is our house.
All the trucks and cars. Rooster, the CTS, and that's Jocelyn's truck, the green one, the old Ford.
Look, this is our kitty.
It was
This is our kitty, baby.
the first vehicle we bought after all of our hard times, and we got a really good deal on it. And it had a brand new motor in it with very low, it's got like 600 miles on it. So we've parked it, crank it every so often, run around the parking lot here, but it also gets like 6 miles a gallon, so we don't drive it. What are you doing to the poor kitty? Let it down, honey. Come on, let's go back in. Let's finish cooking. Food's gonna burn. No. What's our Saturday?